Good morning. Today we are going to solve one problem in conversion method. Pandian does not keep his books under double entry system. From the following information, prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Opening and closing balances of assets and liabilities given here. Children, opening capital is not given in the question. So our first step is the preparation of opening statement of affairs. Draw the statement and write the title. In the books of Pandian, statement of affairs as on 1st January 2018. 1st January is the opening date. Okay, enter assets on asset side and liabilities on liability side. First, assets. Furniture on asset side 30,000, cash in hand asset 10,000, debtors asset 40,000, stock asset 28,000, bills receivable asset 12,000. Then bank loan, it is a liability. Enter on the liability side amount 25,000. Then creditors on liability side 15,000. Now we entered all assets and liabilities. Then find the balance. Asset side total is 1,20,000 and the liability side total is 40,000. The difference between assets and liabilities is 80,000. 80,000 is the opening capital. Children, you should take this amount while doing balance sheet. Okay. Then next step, children, see the question. Opening and closing balances of sundry debtors given here. Then cash sales and credit sales also given in the question. So you need not prepare total debtors account. Okay. Then opening and closing balances of creditors given in the question. Credit purchases and cash purchases also given in the question. So you need not prepare total creditors account. So your next step is the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. Draw the account and write the title Trading and Profit and Loss Account for the year ending 31st December 2018. Then first item in trading account opening stock enter as 2 opening stock 28,000. Next 2 purchases. It has cash purchases and credit purchases. So write the amount in inner column. Cash purchases in inner column 4,250 and credit purchases 35,750. Underline the amount in outer column. What is that amount? 40,000 in outer column. Okay. Next, children, direct expenses. Okay. Here only one direct expenses given in the question. What is that? Carriage on purchases 3,000. Enter as 2 carriage on purchases. Okay. Amount in outer column 3,000. Children, note the point. Carriage on purchases is a direct expenses and enter on the debit side of trading account. Okay. Carriage on sales is an indirect expenses and enter on the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay. What is? Carriage on purchases is the direct expense and enter on the trading account debit side. Carriage on sales is an indirect expense and enter on the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay. Then no more transaction on debit side. Come to the credit side. Credit side first item is sales. It has cash sales and credit sales. So enter the amount in inner column. Buy sales. Then cash sales amount in inner column 11,200. Add credit sales amount in inner column 88,800. Underline and write the sum in outer column. Now returns. Okay, so write the sum in outer column. What is that? 1 lakh. Okay. Next in closing stock. Buy closing stock 11,000. Then no more transactions. Balance trading account. Children, credit side total is 1,11,000 and debit side total is 71,000. The difference is 40,000. 40,000 is the gross profit. Right? To gross profit carried down in bracket transferred to profit and loss account. Write the same amount in opposite side just below the grand total. Right? By gross profit brought down. Okay. Then enter indirect expenses, losses and income on profit and loss account. Okay. See the question. Then see the adjustments, additional information. Cash sale, cash purchases, carriage on purchases we recorded. Next item, commission received. Children, commission received is an income. So enter on the credit side as by commission received 600. Next, children, drawings for the balance sheet. Next, salaries. Salaries is an expense. So enter on the debit side. 2 salaries 8,900. Next, 2 carriage on sales 700. 2 interest on bank loan 2,500. 2 office rent 2,400. Children, see the adjustment. If the assets have been valued subject to depreciation, provision for bad debts, etc., then the profit also is subject to such adjustments. Such adjustments are often given in examination problems. Okay. Then depreciation is a loss. So enter on the debit side of profit and loss account. We need to calculate that amount. Okay. So enter as to depreciation. Show the calculation in inner column. What is the amount of furniture? 30,000. Okay. So enter in inner column 30,000 in, that means in particular column. Do the calculation in particular column with pencil. Okay. 30,000 into 5 by 100. That is 1,500. Right? 1,500 in outer column. Okay. Next, to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Show the calculation in particular column. What is the amount of debtors? Closing amount you should take, closing balance. Okay, 60,000. 60,000 into 1 by 100 is equal to 600. Right? 600 in outer column. Okay, no more transaction in profit and loss account. Find the balance. Children, credit side total is 40,600 and debit side total is 16,600. The difference is 24,000. 24,000 is the net profit. Right? Just above the grand total and right to net profit transferred to capital account. Okay, the next step is balance sheet. Write the title. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Enter the assets on the asset side according to the given order. First item, furniture. Children, it has depreciation, so enter in inner column. 30,000. Then less depreciation, 1,500. Write the amount in outer column. What is the amount? 28,500. Okay. Next, cash in hand directly in outer column 17,000. Debtors, children, it has adjustment. So write the amount in inner column 60,000. Less provision 600. Outer column 59,400. Next, stock in outer column 11,000. Bills receivable in outer column 35,100. Next, bank loan. It is a liability. Write on the liability side 25,000. Next, creditors. It is a liability. Write on the liability side 16,000. Now we entered all assets and liabilities. The next, capital. Capital has adjustment. So write the amount in inner column. Children, from where do you get capital? Okay, take the balance from the statement of affairs. Okay. Children, capital 80,000 and net profit. Take net profit from profit and loss account 24. Write the sum in inner column. Then add additional capital. Children, additional capital increases the capital. So you should add it to the capital. Okay. Then next, drawings. Children, Drawings will decreases the capital, so you should deduct. Less drawings and write the amount in outer column. Okay, what is that calculation? Capital, add net profit, add additional capital, less drawings. Okay, find the total, you will get a tally balance. Next, exercise 20. Selvan does not keep his books under double entry system. From the following information, prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Children, opening capital is not given. So our first step is opening statement of affairs. Draw the statement and write the title. In the books of Selvam, statement of affairs as on 1st January 2018. Enter assets on asset side. Assets are machinery 60,000, cash at bank 25,000, sundry debtors 70,000, stock 45,000, bills receivable 20,000. Next, liability. Bank loan 45,000, sundry creditor liability 25,000. Then find the balance. You will get opening capital 1,50,000. Okay. Next, see the question. Opening and closing balances of sundry debtors and sundry creditors given in the question. Children, cash sales, credit sales, cash purchases and credit purchases also given in the question. So, no need to prepare total creditors account and total debtors account. Then next step, trading and profit and loss account. Write the title, trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 2018. First item on trading account. 2 opening stock 45,000. 2 purchases, inner column cash purchases 8,000, add credit purchases 52,000, underline, then amount in outer column, no returns. Okay, next direct expense, only one direct expense given in the question, 2 wages 6,000. Next come to the credit side, buy sales, inner column, cash sales 20,000, add credit sales 1,80,000, underline, write 2 lakh in outer column. Okay, next buy closing stock. Where is 22,000? Okay, next no more transactions. Find the balance. You will get gross profit 1,11,000. Then continue the profit and loss account. The profit and loss account debit side items. 2 advertisements 7,000. Then 2 salaries 23,500. 2 interest on bank loan 4,500. Next 2 depreciation. Show the calculation in inner column. What is the value of machinery? Okay, inner column, that means in the particular column show the calculation. 60,000 into 10 by 100. 6,000 write in outer column. Next 2 provision for bad and doubtful debts. Show the calculation in particular column. 1 lakh into 1 by 100. That is 1,000 in outer column. Okay. Then no more transaction on the debit side. And no incomes also given. No more transaction. Find the balance. You will get net profit 69,000. Okay. Next, balance sheet. Balance sheet asset side items. Machinery. It has adjustments. So write in inner column 60,000. Less depreciation 6,000. Underline. Write the amount in outer column. Next, cash at bank directly in outer column 33,000. Sundry debtors, it has adjustment, write in inner column 1 lakh, less provision for bad and doubtful debts 1,000. Write 99,000 in outer column. Stock directly in outer column 22,000. Bills received in outer column 38,000. Children, no more assets. Come to the liability side. Bank loan 45,000. Sundry creditors 21,000. Next, capital. Capital take from statement of affairs. What is that? 1,50,000. Add net profit. Take from profit and loss account 69,000. Add additional capital 21,000. Less drawings 60,000. Write the amount in outer column. Find the total. You will get a tally balance. Thank you, children.